Welcome to Kiddy Creations! Hello, kiddos! Today we're going to make a super fun drawing. So grab your sketchbook and colors and let's get started!
Red color.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do?
Light green color.
Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou,
Orange color.
skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my
Yellow
partner,
color.
love is true. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou,
Purple color. Brown color. Bluey green color. Peach color. Gray color. Green color. Pink color. Yellow color. Dark blue color. Red color. Light blue color. Dark pink color.
Wow, that was such a fun drawing! If you enjoyed it, we'll see you in the next video with another fun idea! Thanks for watching! And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe! Bye-bye, kiddos!